This video is more for like people who are already customers of Website Garden and they want to start using our social media posting feature. You have to go to Outstand.so and create your own account there. And these are the websites that it supports, and we'll be adding more and more of those probably in the future. Right now, we've tested Facebook. We'll be testing the other ones like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest first. I don't know if we're going to support the video ones like TikTok, YouTube, and Vimeo. They also have Blue Sky and Threads and Google Business. So we'll check all those out and we'll slowly open the doors on all of those over time. But basically, this is their little chart of all the different types of websites they support. And to work with them on our website, what you do is you go over here to click on your menu and you can type in social and then connected accounts. So once you have your, for example, your Facebook account connected to Outstand.so, you can come here and say like add account, platform, Facebook, and then you can say fetch my connected accounts. And there's a place I'll show you later where you can put in your API key. And so here it says, okay, these are all your connected accounts to Facebook. And then you can click use, and then you can give it your own name on here. And then when you start doing your social media post, you just reference that. Also, we have an ability here to upload a logo image one time so that every time you post to, for example, that At Home with Hebrew, we could put a logo at the bottom of your image and you could reuse that same image on every one of your posts. So it's just kind of a time-saving feature we have there. Oh, and here's how you do your API key. You're going to click Add Account, and then instead of picking Facebook, you're going to say Add Outstand.so here, and then it'll ask you for your API key. And of course, that's going to be hidden on the screen so that people cannot see it. Now, in my case, I already got it set up. I could edit it here, but it didn't show up on my drop down here because I've already got it set up, and you only need to set it up one time. So Outstand.so has a very good pricing. It's $19 a month for basically 3,000 posts are included in that. No seat license, no surprises. 3,000 posts is your base plan. And then if you want to do more, you can pay like 7/10 of a penny per post. So if you were doing 5 or 10,000 posts a month, you would have these little extra charges here. And they have their own little calculator here if you want to see like what it would be if you did 5, 10, 100,000 posts a month. It'll calculate it all out for you right here. Now, I think they just made something better. They have something called managed keys. And last time I looked at this site about a month ago, they were charging $69 a month to do your managed keys, but now it says it's supported in the $19 a month plan. And they basically have, I think, a new OAuth app that we can just go throw into Facebook and use it immediately. So I think the whole setup process is going to be a lot easier. If you're having trouble setting up one of your social media platforms, what we have over here is you can go to our website and go to Service Shop, and then you can pick here. These are our different vendors who do services. And actually, this guy, Orest, works with me, and he's the one that actually set up all this software. So we set up a gig for him, or a service basically, where he can set up your Facebook or your Twitter for you. Assuming you basically already have a Twitter or Facebook page or group, but we can do that as well if that's what you need. But anyway, we hook it up to connect.so and make sure it's all working. And so you just order that as like a one-time service. It's done, and then it should work, pretty much indefinitely after that. We have one more service related to this here called AI image troubleshooting. And I think we'll change that to also be HTML troubleshooting. So if you're building your post and the AI is not doing what you think it should be doing, or if you're using our advanced features where you want to put like Hebrew text or some certain foreign languages that have the diacritical marks, you have to build your own little HTML for the image. And if that breaks or whatever, or you need help with that, we can do that for you. And that's what this little service gig is about right here. So we got you covered under both cases. Just go to our service shop over here and order that. And it'll ask you for the information we need, and we'll set it up and get you going. All this, of course, you need to be a member of Website Garden first. And we do a lot of other things other than the social media. Let me just show you the menu over here on the left. It's getting rather huge. We have a task management. We have our own, basically like a Scrum-based system. You can track your own domains and your websites. We check to see if they're up, the downtime, uptime. You can have your foreign web pages that links to your websites. We have different reports you can see. You can set up your own multiple users. You can schedule your own meetings. You can, I'm just trying to think, so many things in here now. You can check your credits and your finances for, what you're spending on, like your social media ads, that type of thing. You can be an affiliate for our website as well. And anyway, we have a lot of other videos that go through a lot of this stuff. So we'll leave that for the other videos. But just to let you know, there's a lot of other good stuff inside of here. Also some SEO, like we track your backlinks to your websites, and we track how popular your website is using various platforms. So there's a lot of other features in here besides the social media posting that I'm sure you'd want to use. So this has been Neil Walters, just telling you about how we work with Outstand.so in order to post to all these social media sites.